Hello children, in this video we are going to learn with fun part 6 birds, English and Marathi words. For more educational videos subscribe Smart Guru YouTube channel. Subject English, words with pictures. Part 6 birds. In this video we are going to learn different types of birds. Birds means pakshi. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Peacock means more, our national bird. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Eagle means Garud, king of birds. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Crow means कावळा. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Pigeon means कबूतर. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Swan means hंस. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck means बदक. Cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means कोकिळ. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. Vulture means गिधाड. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hen means कोंबडी. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl means घुबड. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Crane means बगळा. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster means कोंबडा. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. 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 Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. Flamingo means रोहित. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot means पोपट. Sparrow. 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 Sparrow means chimney. So come on students, look at the words, read and write in your notebook neatly. Thank you.